Hey everyone, welcome back. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and today we're going to do a little bit different video. Today I'm going to make a short video showing you exactly how to get your commercial drone license. With the way technology is moving, I want to have as many skills as physically possible in the tech space because this is where our society is going. Very virtual, very tech, very robotic, and very AI. So I want to be as sharp as I can. Now, if you guys have followed me for some years, you know that I've always wanted to get my drone license, kind of had it on the back burner, but I've had a recent opportunity to be a part of an excellent team, and we are getting these amazing drones, and I want to be able to fly them and be the man at it. In this short video, we're going to learn how to get your FTN number, what to study, how to test, and how to apply. If you don't know me and this is your first time, if you want to hit that subscribe button, I am the Electrical Code Coach, and I've dedicated my life to helping you become everything that you can be in life and business. Without any more introductions, let's get to it. First thing that we have to do is get our FTN number. We're not going to be able to apply for any applications or be able to apply to take the test without it. It's just our FAA tracking number. It's how the FAA keeps track of you. What you're going to do is you're going to follow the link in the description below, and it's going to take you to the IACRA website for the FFA.gov. And what you're going to do when you get here is when you get to the website, you can check it out real quick. But over here on the right-hand side, you're going to see a register button. It's right next to the login. If you've never made an account, you have to register first. When you're filling this out, you're going to be filling it out as an applicant, unless you're some type of teacher or drone instructor. That's not in the scope of this video. After that, we're going to agree to their terms of service, and it's going to take us to the next page. Now, this top part up here, unless you already have another pilot's license or FAA license, you're not going to fill that out at all, but you're just going to fill out the name and the other things and then click register. Once you do that, you're going to get your FTN number in an email to you, and they might even give it to you right there on the screen. You're going to want to save that number, snap you a screenshot of it. I like to take a picture of all important numbers with my phone, and then you'll also get an email with that number. And now we can move on to step 2. The next most important piece is what to study. And if you're not careful here, you can get off in the weeds very quickly. I assure you, you do not need some online course, spending several $100s. You can do it using the steps that I'm getting ready to lay out. But each person, how comfortable they are with taking the test and how much time they need to study is going to vary. When you do start your studies, you're going to learn about the general rules, which is how high can I fly? Can I fly at night? And all of those things. Then you're going to learn about aeronautical charts, maps, and different things. I had a lot of fun with this, and I really learned a lot. Then you're going to learn about how to read weather charts and weather maps. Now, I don't know how much of this you're actually going to use out in the field, but it's like any other exam. You learn a bunch of stuff, you regurgitate it back out, and then you remember what you actually use on the day-to-day. And for this, it's recommended that you have 15 to 20 hours of study. That's about how long it took me, but I'm a grinder. You guys know that. I mean, I banged it out and I did my 15 to 20 hours worth of study. That's really about how long it took, though, to feel comfortable to go set for the exam and pass it first try. And for this, we're going to head over to YouTube. I'm going to put a link to the description of the exact videos that I use. But the main video that I use is this top video right here. And I believe you could probably pass it with this one video only. The guy goes over it and he breaks it all down piece by piece, bit by bit, in a way that you can understand it. I went over it once at normal speed, and then if you don't know this on YouTube videos, you can actually increase the speed and watch it even faster. If you scroll down, you'll see that there's lots of different videos. The main one I'm going to have you focus on if you're wanting to go this route is this video right here. He goes back over it. Not only is it what you need, it's very clear and concise without wasting any of your time. Part 3 is how to take the test, and more importantly, how and where to take the test. And for this one, we're going to go to our great friends at PSI. If you've ever taken a professional licensing test, you've likely worked with them in the past. This one, you're going to want to follow the specific link I give you because it's just for the FFA PSI. You're going to go and you're going to create an account. And this is where you're going to need your FAA tracking number, that FTN number that we got at the beginning of this video. One thing that I do want you to watch out for when you are scheduling your test, they're going to give you several options, perhaps in your area of locations you can go take it in person. When you get to the examination, they've got all the books that you need. You don't have to worry about bringing anything except for a positive attitude. But the one thing that you do want to watch out for when scheduling this test is you want to sign up for the Unmanned Aircraft General Small. I was personally very confused on what exam to sign up for. That's the exam that you're going to want to sign up for if you're going for your Part 107 for your commercial drone license. Finally, in step 4, how to apply. Congratulations, you passed your examination. Now it's time to get down to business. For this, we're going to head back over to our original FAA website, the IACRA website, and we're going to go ahead and log in. Once you log in, they're going to want you to accept their terms of service for their website every single time that you log in. Then once you get there, you're going to start a new application. Once you get in there, you've got a couple hoops to jump through, no big deal. You're going to start application. You are a pilot, and you are going for that initial license, and then you're going to fill all that information out. Once you fill that out, you are going to, in a few days, probably up to 7, you're going to receive a temporary certification, which allows you to fly right then. Now, there are a lot of rules and regs around having to carry your cert with you, all these different things. You're going to learn this in your studies, and don't go out until you feel comfortable and competent and confident, all of them. I want you to feel good when you go out and fly this thing because it's very serious when you get the Fed involved. We know that, hey, it takes things to another level. Once you get that temporary certificate, you'll eventually get your, official certificate. But once you get that temp certificate, you can start flying. Definitely do not fly without that certificate in a commercial manner. I am the electrical code coach, and my bargain is that these videos will add value to you, and you will in turn add value to others. If you need anything from me, you can always email me at electricalcodecoach@gmail.com. Let's get to it.